So in this video, we're gonna talk about quadrilaterals. So what is quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. So here are other kinds of quadrilaterals. First, this is a square. So when we say square, it is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides and each corner is a right angle. So it means that the length of these 4 sides are equal and each corner, so the first corner, second corner, third corner, and fourth corner is a right angle. When we say right angle, the measure of a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So that is a square. Next, another kind of quadrilateral is a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Its opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. So this side is parallel to this side and this side is also parallel to this side. It means that the length of this side is equal to the length of this side, and this, or the length of this side, is equal to the length of this side. So each angle is a right angle. So again, the same in a square, that each corner is a right angle. So right angle, another right angle, and another right angle. Another kind of quadrilateral is a rhombus. So what is a rhombus? Its opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Its opposite angles also have the same measure. So its opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. So this side is equal to this side and parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side, and the length of this side is equal to this side, and the length of this side is equal to this side. And its opposite angles also have the same measure. So this angle is opposite to this angle, which has the same measure, and this angle is opposite to this angle, which has also the same measure. So that is a rhombus. Next, another kind of quadrilateral is what we call the parallelogram. So what is a parallelogram? Its opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. So it means that this side is parallel to this side and their length is equal, or the measure of that sides are equal, and this side is also equal to this side. In short, that the length of this side is equal to the length of this side. So that is a parallelogram. Next, last kind of quadrilateral is what we call the trapezoid. So what is a trapezoid? So it has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel to each other. So one pair of opposite sides that are parallel to each other. So that is what we call a trapezoid. So now let us divide a quadrilateral into triangles. So when we draw, like for example, if we have a square, then we draw a diagonal line inside a square. Okay, so So let's say this is the diagonal line inside the square. We get two triangles. So the one triangle and another triangles. Then a diagonal line dividing a parallelogram gives two acute triangle. So like for example, if I draw a parallelogram here, then we draw a diagonal line inside the parallelogram. So it gives two acute triangle. First acute triangle and another acute triangle. And how about in trapezoid? So if we have a trapezoid, so this is, let's say this is our trapezoid. Then we draw a diagonal line inside the trapezoid. So it gives one acute triangle and one obtuse triangle. So how are the different quadrilaterals related to each other? So first, can a square be a rhombus? And can a rhombus be a square? So a square can be a rhombus because it has four equal sides. But a rhombus cannot be a square except when all its angles are right angles. Can square be a rectangle? Can square be a rectangle? So every square is a rectangle because a square is a special kind of rectangle that has sides of the same length. Can a rectangle be a square? Not every rectangle is a square. Some rectangles do not have sides with equal lengths. So try to look at this one. We have a graph here and you saw a different shapes. So try to find this, or try to find this and determine what kind of quadrilateral is that. So first, UAB, base here, find UAB. So this is our U, A and B. So when we connect those line from U going to A and A going to B and B back to U, we have what shape? That is a triangle. Next, CNMD. C, N, M, and D. So connect those letters using a line. So C going to N going to M going to D, and D going to C. You can create a shape which is what we call a trapezoid. Next, BVT. The letter BVT. What shape is that? So find B. So this is again our B, our V, and our T. So connect those letters using again as a line. Then V going to T and B going to T. So you can create a quadrilateral which is a triangle. Next, NOMP. So find the letter N So this is our letter N, letter O, letter M, and letter P. Connect those letters using, again, a line. So you can create a square. Next, SWRX. So this is our S, this is our W, and this is our R and X. So again, connect those letters using a straight line. You can create a rectangle. So that's how, or that is, a quadrilateral and the different kinds of quadrilateral. And I hope that you've learned a lot, and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos about mathematics.